Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the most honest, no-nonsense takes on the best gear out there. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best strip-cut 12-sheet shredder you can get right now. The Amazon Basics Cross-Cut Paper and Credit Card Shredder, 12-sheet new model, in sleek black. Let's start with the basics. This shredder is a compact powerhouse. Designed for home or small office use, it cuts through up to 12 sheets of standard 20-pound bond paper at once. That's more than enough for the average day-to-day shredding tasks. Whether it's bills, bank statements, or old receipts, this shredder is ready. But it's not just about paper. This machine is also built to take on credit cards, small paper clips, and staples. One swipe and they're gone. Now let's talk usability. The shredder features a 9-minute continuous runtime. That's solid performance, especially at this price point. After those 9 minutes, it needs about 30 minutes to cool down, pretty standard for shredders in this class. And in case you forget and push it too far, it'll shut down automatically to prevent overheating. Controls are intuitive. You get a 4-mode switch: auto, on, off, reverse, and forward, all right on top. There are also LED indicators for power, overheat, and overload. That's your built-in assistant right there. It lets you know when to give it a rest or clear a jam before things get messy. And speaking of mess, the 5-gallon pull-out bin is large enough to handle quite a few sessions before needing to be emptied. It reduces the number of trips to the trash and is easy to slide out and dump. Simple, effective, no fuss. One thing we appreciate: every shredder is quality tested before it leaves Amazon's warehouse. So don't be surprised if you spot a few paper shreds in the box. That's a good sign. It means someone actually ran it before you did. In terms of size, it measures 7.9 inches wide, 13.2 inches long, and stands 16.5 inches tall. So it's compact enough to fit under most desks but still tall enough to hold a decent pile of shredded material. The matte black design is understated but sharp. It fits right in with any workspace. And while this is a powerful tool, remember, it's not a toy. Keep aerosol products away from it, and stick to its limits. Read the manual, watch the instructional video if needed, and avoid items that aren't meant to be shredded. Now, if you're watching this and wondering about delivery, yes, Amazon ships it internationally, and you can get it in India with shipping and import fees added on. It's in stock and ready to go. To wrap things up, for just over $40, this shredder is punching well above its weight. You're getting reliable performance, quality build, security-level cross-cutting, and easy operation. Whether you're clearing out clutter or managing sensitive documents, this unit covers the essentials and then some. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you found this helpful. We've got more real-world reviews coming your way soon. See you in the next one.